Wood, one of the most common natural materials used in the manufacture of handicrafts, decor items. Products may vary in complexity, price, and purpose, but they all have one thing in common. They are not only beautiful but also environmentally friendly. Handicrafts made of wood with their own hands give their room special value and originality. Below we have collected some great ideas. The structure of this natural material is hard and durable. Most wood items can only be made with a set of carpentry tools, which is usually used by men. Working with them involves the application of certain physical efforts. Women can also make light wooden crafts using simpler tools. The set of carpentry tools that men use when working with wood includes a hacksaw, electric jigsaw, in some cases a circular saw, as well as grinders, a drill, a chisel. Women prefer to work with more elegant tools. Many will be surprised, but in order to make most of the decor items out of wood, an ordinary secateurs, a barbell for wire, a glue gun and a small handful of decorative elements, beads, rhinestones, twine, etc. are enough. If the hobby has firmly entered your life, you can replenish the supply of weather on every walk. The material is lying underfoot in the truest sense of the word. The appearance of the share depends on the quality of the prepared weather. Color, appearance, absence of visual defects, and damages are important. The main thing to pay attention to: lack of resin. For some crafts, good flexibility of weather or twigs is important. Parts of a tree spoiled by plant pests. Discard, they do not fit. In order to keep the area ecological and not harm the trees, it is better to collect fallen branches or use branches after pruning the trees. Before being sent for storage, the blanks should be dried for 12 to 14 days in a dry ventilated room, after which neatly folded into cardboard boxes. If the wood is very dry, it can be lightly sprinkled with warm water before starting work.